एक गांव में संजू नाम का एक लड़का रहता था। उसकी नई नई शादी हुई थी और वह अपनी पत्नी के बारे में सुंदर सपने देख रहा था।
सुनीता।
Yes, what is it?
अंकल बताओ ना। अरे तुम्हें बहुत शर्म आ रही है। अगर ऐसे ही चलते रहे तो ट्रेन छूट जाएगी।
चुप हो जा छोटू, यहाँ से चला जा। क्या तुझे नहीं पता कि जब दो बड़े लोग बात कर रहे हो तो छोटों को बीच में नहीं बोलना चाहिए? यहाँ से चला जा।
मैं जा रहा हूँ, सुस्मिता का ख्याल रखना। देखो सुस्मिता, उसकी ट्रेन फिर छूट जाएगी।
क्या आप मुझे आपके कार्यालय के रास्ते में मेरे पिता के स्थान पर छोड़ देंगे?
हाँ, वैसे क्या आपके पास कहने को कुछ और है?
नहीं।
इसके बाद चंदू और सुनीता बाइक पर बैठकर सुनीता के पिता के घर के लिए निकल गए।
सुनीता,
Yes,
how is my father-in-law?
he is fine.
Good. And how is mother-in-law?
She is also fine.
Well, this is also very good. And how is your brother?
All are good. How are you?
I am very good. By the way, when will you return from there?
I will stay here today. Amma asked me to stay. That's why.
All right.
Yes, Amma is calling me. Shall I go?
No, I don't want to let you go. Yes, you can go and take care of yourself. Bye.
Yes, and you too. Bye.
Never do this again.
I had said the same thing to you, idiot.
Yes, sir.
What is the status of that monthly report?
Oh, that report is incomplete. What should I do now?
Chando, what is the status of that monthly report?
That, sir.
Not that monthly report.
Sir, you will get the monthly report by today.
Okay. Not knowing while working, it was 6:30 in the evening and it was the time for leave, but the report work was still not completed. Chandu, you were about to give me the monthly report.
Sir, I am not feeling well today, but I will mail you. I promise.
Okay, today I am tolerating it, but it will not work in future.
Yes, sir.
After finishing the work, Chandu went home. What happened, brother-in-law?
Nothing. Well, Shambhu, you work, right?
Brother-in-law, I know all the work, whether it's sweeping or cooking. Don't you worry, auntie. Now I have come. I will take care of you and everyone.
Man, this is good. Now I will make him do all my work.
Mom, I am feeling very hungry. Tell me, what have you cooked?
My dear son, I haven't cooked anything.
What? But why?
Hey son, don't be upset. Shambhu has come. He will prepare food quickly.
But what should I make?
Anything, whatever takes less time.
Okay, but what item should I cook?
Oh brother, make anything. Make some vegetable. Make paneer.
Brother-in-law, there is no paneer. Have to bring it from the market.
Well then, make dum aloo.
Brother-in-law, it's really difficult to make dum aloo.
What is this? Does he know anything or not? He's just eating my brain.
Brother, make whatever which is easy for you.
Can't you say that at first? You have wasted my time and yours too.
Mom, are you watching this? He is misbehaving now. We told him to make anything.
Hey, both of you, why are you crying?
Hey Sunita, why are you crying?
You scolded Shambhu. I didn't like it.
Hey, first thing, you don't cry. It's not good for you. Secondly, I just told Shambhu to make something, anything for dinner.
Shambhu.
Shambhu? Oh Shambhu! Come here!
Tell me what to do.
Bring me some water. Listen Shambhu, I want to eat some snacks. Make some.
Do you have any other work besides eating for the whole day?
What are you saying?
Nothing. Sunita and Chandu's mom had gone to the market, and Chandu felt that this was the right time to bring this Shambhu online.
Brother Shambhu, you do so much work. You don't feel like having fun and watching TV like other kids?
Yes, brother. I really want to do that.
Then you just go and watch TV and eat these snacks comfortably.
Now, while watching TV comfortably, Shambhu started eating snacks with pleasure. Then suddenly, both Sunita and Chandu's mother came and were shocked to see Shambhu like this.
Hey Shambhu, what are you doing?
Shambhu, you are watching cartoon? We didn't think you would be so drowsy.
Sister, auntie, I didn't do anything.
If you didn't, then who did it? Don't make us fool. You bowed our heads in shame.
But sister...
There is nothing left to say. You just go from here. I will complain about you to Amma and Papa. Get out of here now.
Troubled by Shambhu's incompetence, Sunita threw him out of the house, which made Chandu very happy. But his happiness also did not last long because he had to do all the work by himself.